Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the pre-market analysis. Nifty witnesses a euphoric move and Nifty and Bank Nifty technically is at overbought zones. Nifty is heading towards the 21,000 zones and Bank Nifty around 47,300, 47,500 remains the crucial resistance. Nifty needs a consolidation at these levels, and what next? Profit booking is not ruled out, and markets are technically overbought zones for now after a euphoric move. Indian markets has been outperforming the global peers, and now it's a great opportunity for us to book profits and wait for lower levels. Corrections are always healthy for the long term investments. Hope our updates is helping the investors and traders in taking their investment decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Take care.